everyone, welcome to my mini coding vlog series. This is going to be a very chill, lightly paced video where I share my days and all the stupid things that I'm working on. So sit back, relax, and maybe grab a coffee. Or maybe not. The weather here in Helsinki is getting a bit warmer, and definitely I see more people hanging out on the streets, which is a rare sight here in Helsinki. Today, I'm trying to create a utility tool for my MacBook, and the inspiration for this stems from a sheer frustration. More on that later. Before I proceed, a quick and important note. Don't steal my idea. Just kidding, it's so simple, you'll probably wonder why I'm even making a video about it. So here's the thing, I work with GitHub Actions and GitHub pipelines every single day, and every single time I push some code, I end up with a GitHub tab open, refreshing the actions page, waiting to see if workflow passed or failed. Sometimes I forget about it, come back 20 minutes later and realize it has failed 18 minutes ago. It's a simple annoyance, but it happens every single day. And then my small brain suddenly realized that, hey, you are a software engineer and you can build something for yourself too. It's not just grinding for your boss in the company, but I'm free to build whatever I want in my free time, isn't it? So I decided to build this small utility tool for my Mac. Well, talking about building stuff, this building has been surprising me for almost a few months now. I daily come here for a small jog, and I usually gaze at this building for some time to satisfy my curiosity, of course. And then, to my surprise, somehow, some days I go to sleep with one floor and wake up to a fully built extra floor. It's not even a whole month by now, but these men have already built the entire building. Meanwhile, I've been stuck on a Terraform state log for 3 days. These guys are building floors faster than I push commits. Tell me more about incompetent developers. Well, this information has nothing to do with my app, and I still am blabbering about it. So I thought, why not just build a tiny macOS menu bar app that shows me the status of GitHub Actions? That's it, nothing fancy. And just a little icon in my menu bar that turns green when build passes and red when something breaks. I just want to glance up and know what's wrong. I know what you're thinking. This is so basic. Why not just use email notification to see how far you have come? Well, come to me with this question when you have 3000 plus unread emails and GitHub notifications are buried somewhere between Jira updates and calendar invites. I don't want email notification. I want a status light. Always there, always visible, no noise. Plus, I've been wanting to learn Swift and SwiftUI. Building a real macOS app has been on my bucket list, so this is the perfect excuse. A small enough project that I can actually finish and something that I'll use genuinely every single day. And for the nerds, if you're still watching, the plan is super simple. A SwiftUI menu bar app that pulls the GitHub Actions API, shows workflows run status for my repos, and maybe send a native macOS notification when a build fails. OAuth 2 for GitHub authentication, one API endpoint, one menu bar icon, and that's it. If SwiftUI kills me, which it might, since I have never used it, I'll fall back to something I know, but I want to try. I don't know if anyone else would even want this. I'm literally building it for myself because it annoys me. But that's how the best tool starts, right? You scratch your own itch and then suddenly someone else starts using it. Every app that you see today was something totally different. Amazon was a book selling store, YouTube started as a video dating website, Instagram was a location check-in app. The point is, nothing starts as what it becomes. So my naive mind is thinking, maybe this stays a tiny menu bar utility that only I use. Maybe it turns into something more. Who knows? For now, I just want my builds to stop failing without me noticing. If you are a dev and you have rage refreshed the GitHub Actions tab, you know the pain. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you would use too. A bright mind once said, I'd rather attempt something great and fail than attempt nothing and succeed.